Hi there, I'm Hub Brown, Dean of the University of Florida College of Journalism and Communications. I'm excited to invite you to consider an opportunity with us here at UF. Here at CJC, we're more than just a college. We're a diverse community of storytellers, innovators, and leaders. We're proud to be among the top-ranked programs in the country, where hands-on learning, impactful research, and real-world experiences all intersect. Whether you're passionate about journalism, advertising, public relations, or media production and management, CJC is a place where your ideas and expertise can flourish. Our faculty and staff are the heart of our success, and we're committed to fostering a supportive and inspiring workplace. With access to world-class research opportunities and cutting-edge facilities, you'll have everything you need to succeed and grow in your field. If you're ready to help shape the future and make a difference for the next generation of communicators, we'd love to have you join us here at UF, where innovation, collaboration, and excellence are part of everything we do.